Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano seniatie.
Nabia makacho sebeka nsene simitie. Yemfa binka o yenyi binso emfa emfrimu. Bade obuo ni die ebeka sa mpanifo ho. Na oni osi ye kan ya adwen ma mpanifo twem adwen susutu ho na modie. Sebi yemfa hu ni mene kasa enti no yemekea no ntum ewo ho. Mede dia kwesinsia. Asemi de kabre ena edre swem. Ba memfa happy birthday once again confirm Wabe Kofi Ampadu. Ya wo multimedia. Adom TV to be specific. And then when you're 32 years. So Kofi, happy birthday. Nyame enshraw. Na omawu enyini 32 years you are growing. You are growing is good. Yes, you are growing in that sphere. Nyame enshraw no nyo kesepa. Then also congrats to the Ashanti Regional Minister Designate, Dr. Frank Amwakohine, Asante Mamponi this year. Doctor, yama trimkwa, yada nyame ase. Say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ashewen munyam amabiaka Asante Mampo. I stand to be corrected, but if my memory serves me right, you'll be the first substantive minister coming from Asante Mampo. But I said, Metiso Asante Mampo, Fana Pacho, what correct him why? Yeah, so Dr. Frank Amwakohine, he was in the back when you're deputy secretarial minister, but this you are a minister for the whole region, a region of about 4 million population. We thank God for your life. We bless God for how far He has brought you. Also, to you, Oyire, a solid woman by all standard. I looked up for our reference. So congrats once again to Dr. Frank Amwakohine, the Ashanti Regional General Secretary of NDC, now Ashanti Regional Minister Designate. I feel the matter said the NTR na o kwan mu wo RCC we are very fine. So on the NRA, once I'm see this video from Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council, where Honorable Simon Semensa, where he was supposed to lodge na mampeni so ba Asante Mantemua or ba no betna the dilapidated nature of the place sanana esimiti sana meka nura minister no issue statement na statement to fabo nyina say na sika ni wonti na wantimi ansiesie no according to Honorable Simon Osemensa osi na sika ni ho na to da bi ko no abotom sika no de ye niema bi e wo regional coordinating council no asana after about 6 months sika ba ama na tena ade. Minister, to be honest, Sanchrim we and Tomitrim. With all due respect, and Tomitrim, and Snimitrim, there be. Because we be a can was a baby, the President of the Republic, a bar or bedao. So bet we a bunkunta the chess, President Eber, Asante Mantem, how number of times the same. If we send Okoda hotel, how much did it cost the nation? Says so swam pass the or pepper say, ye be ya. Minister Kebeye. And no crazy academy has never been war. But the near coordinating council in your budget. So, what would come so this Dr. Frank Amwakohine there, Ashanti Regional Minister Designate. Penino for the video in him. So you quit when how a place one etie. And yet, so the other was my semen sapato. I quit him can mention for send a place near can was some etie. Send now share no share. A Hanaman penny qua santimantima what thou. President of the Republic. So qua santimantima if ye and I then also them in ye. That's what Honorable Simon Semensa be catch say fish yan watwe when your budget am fan to me nsiesie e den nya fa ne ekwa akosie o. Oh, minister, that be. E den nya fa ne ekotu foundation o. Ye sit down na si wonom. Yempe sika kakra emfensie o se bia mampani ba yebe save cost yebe cut down cost. I don't want to believe say President Kufado 8 years ni obedi no Ghana banya kese so embrado do oba sentimentem nya no dam krofo fie. What that hotel, how much did it cost the nation? Ye di sem ni ntimi nye sika kakra bi krafa empropro dan. Madam Simon Semesa, what dear? Unfortunate. Entry ye. Minister, entry ye crack. Ezu nyame anfa fia. Ye beja ni say ya. The next way ka say come purpose afa architect na ba. The structural integrity of this building is defective. To see adwirigu ne sapes kesi ne foforo. Omo ye nya sikada da bia to ne ma jeje mu. Awrewo asefem. Efia ye mampani ko asante mantam a odem. Enma ko ade sunya ne de no. Environment is so eye kama eye accommodating. Adentina asante mantam de 8 years in office. 8 good years in office. It is same you busumi me se bia kwa no ye the 5,000 cedis kwa kwa ho a etika 8 years. Ona busimo se mesa. Fa asa busumi me se bia no e na the 5,000 Ghana cedis e kwa ho a eti fisia wotwe ticket me anwie. All of a sudden ya dan yesi won mu a air condition ne window ni ewom nyina no. Efiri mu ni ho. Mo am de kotutu ye. With this what the minister need to answer some questions. Not just this a statement. This is the state of a Tanya Yaman Peniko Mantemwa with them. Your colleague minister in Sunyane was able to keep her own. I didn't know they went to me and keep you there. When in Yama Sebi Ekosua na masa aban sesa na mama buni bi el rush ko abati awodro bi no akọ make sure say obi anfa bibi anfa nwane no, because all of a sudden edanya yesisi won mu a enya afa ne yesi dan na wie empuma hyehyem afa empuma ne ho biem air condition bodem won afa ne ho no mu biem eti one na tutu. Oh, that be. Mumia nyesa. Ayesa ya awreho. Awreho. Ya na awreho. Now back to my semwa. Yedi unkomo na outchi. Mibisa Ghana Police Service. How do you want to be independent? IGP, how do you want to be independent? Because if you perceive maintain your position, abai esesa na ni pebi di ni pabonisem na abai asesenti ye kayen sashi edemri femu say yen say o manager pade please for anchiri obia, then are dangerous. Are you dangerous? IGP, are you dangerous? Se abanya sesenti emabru edi etutrasem a place for say intimate obia, because IGP say or protecting the position, regional commander protecting the position, the average police officer protecting the position. Me do much have come takrema. How can this happen? And our best said to say, I'm not be a young ope. Since 2000, please for them nipa bakwa. A bias said to trust them cause yet chino. And a man penny John Dramani Mama says it should be him. Since I'm Asem who know a twenty. But why is the Inspector General of Police not working? Doja kufu dampare. Emma bru dia to trust them. Emma bru yen yema ense fata. The first say ya to aba asesa aban and kasi asesa police service. Also please for you, Juba, why are they not working in this circumstance? But what am I here for so? And I'm paying for what so. A part of say, yes, I'll return you. At the expense of the security of the nation. Because of position person retailing to know what dream. One person no sabe ka obia. Ya ko jaso ya pamo. But I'm telling you. O me pamo, nya we tire mo pamo. O me return you. The IGP na ye ni mo tibijina traffic light Asem e direct traffic no afa mabru ye to trasem a IGP na ye din because me ko kan wona ye no yesu so me ye ndisi fo timise ko kan on pe fo be rise na afa be kase ne ye IGP fro etu ye din ye nse o man no ye betimi e de gina wesu anya gidi omu e de o man Ghana so wie a hyewonsa. Dr. George Akufu Dampare, ask yourself, since transition up to this time, how well have you managed the security of the nation? Ask yourself, how well have you managed or minor assumed yet yes, some for another mandate and some for now. And then yes, on kwa. And I'm because back to 2000, from 2000, some who say, Esha Ghana, Yaman Semu. From 2000 years ago, I started here. Police penny be or be a balance sign yape, no be a dean. No be a ineffective. So money and pennies had ya. Maybe Miss Susieni. Say electoral commission. And ya announce it. As a SMC are not benting and Eddie and Kunim. I want mine no abatomua. A buy near Cosubio say Twitter near Hanover and my abino obano. Send me a semi sa and Semunu Seno, a 2 minutes metra. Ay, too much. Nan mabru so aka kamo e wa dwira se almost say yakwa yi omuni pabia ma wawu it also ko twedja e de ato ayi please for dem ahye no ya ship ya say please for car commander onye na sem because okokan anyu akoko take political donation it wedding because commander nyene sika na beto car no. Meanwhile, the mandate of the police officer is to protect life and properties. One of the properties, you know, had a very own tenor. Mudiya mojuma, mwa shine, baby, mudiya mojuma. And the mabru Asem cars. Asem police station. Police need to be in kasa. But can't you actually mind? See, yes, I just want him. Eri amanyo semba saba sene ye memuna o man ebedu mebeno ebeji yensem o man ebeji yensem enye MPP nye NDC asem o man ebeji yensem because emabru na yesade no they are vigilante guys. These are vigilante boys. These are vigilante boys. Yeni yesi ye go vigilante e wo man mu. Matika come say one day. They will block an elected president so many assassin office. One day. Sanya kono be a penibia person I can watch them. Oh, me so semi ko kai ye beji film 70 IGP police officer here dino. One day these boys will take over this nation. And when ye nyina bo sebio ye de ye na no a ya aka ho hwe no e na ba beto ye nyina. There be a mekasiam for partisan politics and tonchain. Let's discuss Ghana. Me did your questions here. Ochina de chefu fro. Ochina kumukasi pa o. Ye bedo na semedika. Some look at some your fire crowd. Ye de pense mu. Etwas background.
Asem yi di ko, asem yi di ka.